Building a social media weekly performance dashboard has never been this easy. This is what we're building. This is the data we're working with. Let's create it live. We start by importing our social media data file. The import completes instantly. Now we click Create Dashboard and watch Bricks AI get to work. The AI is analyzing our social media data, identifying key metrics like follower growth, engagement rates, and impression trends. It's automatically determining the best chart types for each data relationship. 5 interactive charts are being created: platform performance overview, weekly follower gains, impressions versus clicks, posts versus engagement rates, and weekly impression trends. 2 summary tables are also being generated for platform summaries and top engagement weeks. Our social media weekly performance dashboard is complete with comprehensive visualizations. We can instantly customize the theme. Presentation mode transforms our dashboard into a full-screen experience perfect for meetings and client presentations. Every chart becomes interactive and clearly visible. Back to edit mode, we can scroll through all our widgets and customize further. Try Bricks today and transform how you work with data.